Hey guys, here's a little video to show you how to utilize your personal meeting room account on Zoom. I like to use this so I don't have to mess around with posting a different link for every single meeting that I ever set up. I know in the spring I didn't know about this, and so anytime I had a Zoom, I would have to go into Seesaw and push or post a brand new link. And by the end of the week, everybody had like 10 or 15 Zoom links, and so it was just kind of hard to communicate with kids and parents a new link each time. So when I finally discovered this, I thought it was pretty amazing, so I thought I would share with you. Just go to zoom.com. I like to access it from my browser. It's a little bit more friendly, I think, than the app on my phone, or even the app from the computer. It just kind of shows your settings a little bit more friendly, in my opinion. If you come over here on the left, you click on the meetings button, then come over here to the tab that says personal meeting room. And this is something that Zoom automatically creates for every user who logs in. And so all you have to do is come down here to the bottom and click copy invitation, then click copy meeting invitation again, and it's on your clipboard. When I post the meeting invitation, specifically like to students who are accessing it through Seesaw, I like to post that in the announcements, if I can find my Seesaw account now. Let me click on the right button here. Here we go. So usually when I post this, I added an announcement, and the reason why is it allows them to see it right away. They don't have to scroll through all the work that they've done for that week and post it in their journal. I select students if you want to, and you have the family function enabled for your Seesaw account and your parents have signed up for that. You can send it to your students and your families. It doesn't make a difference. I just don't have that set up yet. So I'm just going to put it right in here, Control V in there, and then send now. And when the students log in, their screen will look a little bit different. They'll only have two choices over here. I believe one is journal and the other one is either inbox or announcements. And they just click on that inbox or announcements and it will show the link right here. It will be probably the last thing. I just kind of reserve announcements for important information that they want to be able to access quickly. That way they don't have to go on a hunt for the Zoom link each time. In regards to actually starting your Zoom, which you all probably know how to do, it is in the same screen where you copy that from, and you come down at the bottom, you just click start, and it's that easy. It won't allow me to because I'm currently using the computer audio to record on Screenomatic. One thing I have learned with Zoom is if you start another audio on your computer while you're in a live Zoom, it will actually kick out your audio. So you'd have to go back in and restart. Let me see, actually. I'm going to try to start up my Zoom to show you the waiting room because it's a super handy function. I think it'll be really good for conferences because you will be the parents who are waiting in the room. If you come down here to where it says participants, I know my screen share is a little bit different. But it says participants down here at the bottom. If you click on that and keep this open, it will show whoever's in your meeting and then whoever's waiting in the waiting room. And anytime somebody joins the waiting room, you actually receive a notification at the top of your desktop that tells you, so it's not like they're going to be sitting there for an hour and you don't know they're there. Sometimes it is good to come over here and just click on your participants though, so you can glance and make sure there's nobody sitting in there waiting. I just really like the personal meeting room. It's what Sarah uses every morning for announcements. That way she doesn't have to send out a different link to you every single day, and it just kind of helps simplify your job a little bit more. So let me know if you have any questions.